Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Garret Carr. I'm the Senior Marketing Manager for Mustang Mach-E. Welcome to the Ford stand at Electrify Expo in Long Beach, California. We have an absolutely beautiful day here today. I'm going to talk to you about a couple of the Mustang Mach-Es that we have on display. The first, what we have here is new for 25 model year. This is a premium with the Sport Appearance package. So it has the look of a Mustang Mach-E GT, but it's a package on a premium. So for those that aren't looking for the performance of a GT, but like the look, this is the vehicle for you. It has the GT front end with a new grille, and all of our Mustang Mach-Es have a frunk. What you can see here in this frunk is we're giving out free waters to all the attendees of Electrify Expo. It's a super hot day. The amazing thing about our frunk is it has a drain built right into the bottom. So all of the water will drain right through and you can just keep filling it up with ice. So as we walk around the vehicle, other parts of the package, it has a unique painted black wheel. We have painted black wheel arch moldings and rocker moldings. So you got the GT front end, all of the black, and then on the interior of the Sport Appearance package, you can see all of the red stitching. So we have a lot of red accent stitching on the seats, on the dashboard, on the door panels, on the center console, as well as aluminum pedals. And this package is available on our premium edition, which is our mid-series. If we go around to the back of the vehicle, you can see that we have a power liftgate. You just hit the button and it opens and closes. Our seats fold flat. You have a ton of storage in there. And the load floor in the rear cargo compartment has two different heights, so you can set it based on what you're carrying in the vehicle. We like to call the Mustang Mach-E an and solution because it's a Mustang and it's great for the family. It's an SUV as well, and so it really does all of the things that you're looking for in a vehicle, and it's pure electric. This one has a range of up to 320 miles with our extended range rear-wheel drive battery. This one is a 300-mile range vehicle with the extended range all-wheel drive. What you can see over here are all of the different Mustang Mach-E colors for 25 model year. We have 3 new colors. We have Velocity Blue Metallic, Multi-Magenta Tinted Clear Coat, and Desert Sand. Those are 3 of our 8 colors. You can see a bunch of accessory wheels that we have available. And on the other side of this display, you can see a number of accessories that are available from our Ford accessories store. And those will fit on any one of the Mustang Mach-Es that you see here today. If we move over here, this is our top of the line model. This is our Mustang Mach-E Rally. It is a package on top of the GT. It's an amazing vehicle, 480 horsepower, 700 foot-pounds of torque, 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds. Some unique things about this vehicle are the unique rear spoiler, unique rally-inspired wheels. You can get the wheels in white or black. The vehicle is raised about 1 inch. It has Rally Climate Cross tires. You can have the decals on the vehicle, or you can get the decals removed. It has a unique interior as well with a lot of white interior accents. It has the same frunk that you saw on the premium vehicle. And then of course we have this one accessorized. The Rally is really for those that are looking for a great outdoor adventure. You can see some photos over there of the Rally. It's great for sliding around in the dirt. We really say you can take this one off pavement. The range on this one is about 265 miles. And that's because the vehicle is raised up a little bit. The tires have a little more rolling resistance, and it's designed to be a little bit more of a performance vehicle. The other things that we have here at Electrify Expo, we have professional drifters that are taking people on thrill ride, where you get in and take a ride. In fact, you should go and take a ride and film it. And then you can test drive these vehicles here today as well. So also unique on the Rally is it has its own unique grille and fog lamp. It's the only Mustang Mach-E that has fog lamps. It also has its own unique splitter, which gives a better approach angle if you're going off-road. And then it has the unique rally-inspired wheels. They come in black or white, depending on what you like. and Rally Cross Climate tires. Right. Now I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour of the F-150 Lightning. It's an amazing vehicle. We have two on display here. Probably one thing that most people don't know is that the power that you can get off of an F-150 Lightning is amazing. This entire stand is being powered by this truck. There's no other electric hookups. You can see all of the yellow wires around the stand going everywhere, so you can power anything off of this truck. There's outlets in the front. Here we can actually have an Xbox, so this is great for tailgating if you want to bring this for your kids to play or even watch some of the games on TV. There's 410 volt outlets in the front. If you come around to the side here, you can see we have all kinds of things that are being powered off of this truck. You can see the power coming off of the truck. So as I said, we're powering the entire stand. The F-150 Lightning has multiple battery packs and multiple variants. You can see over there, it starts with a Lightning Pro, which is really for our fleet customers, moves up to the XLT, and the Flash, which is our volume series, which is this one right behind me, which is the most popular model that we have. It was new last year. This one has a number of amazing accessories on it. It has Raptor wheels. It has a great lift kit on it, as well as some step-up bars, and you can even see a tent mounted on top. So you can really take these vehicles anywhere, do anything you want with them. This one goes 300 miles, has 300 miles of range. The frunk on these vehicles is huge, so you can store a lot of your gear in the front and not even have to worry about having a covered area in the back. Seats 5 really comfortably, and as I said, has up to 300 miles of range, so an amazing vehicle. This is our Platinum model. This is the top of the range model. It has all the bells and whistles that you could ever want. 15-inch screen, and it has a multi-functional work surface. You can see the gear shifter folds right in, and then this folds over and it becomes a work table, which is really great for those that are on the go, looking to be able to use their truck as their home office. It's got wireless charging, power everything, and it's an amazing vehicle. F-150 has been the best-selling vehicle for a very long time, and this is a great member of the F-150 family. As you can see, there's a ton of storage space in the back. We have a step up that folds away. The liftgate is electric. You can store all of your gear in there. You can get a tonneau cover. You can get bed liners. Basically anything that you can think of, you can get on this truck. As you can see here, with these power lines running out of the truck, there's multiple 110 and 220 volt outlets in the bed if you get the Pro Power Onboard feature. And you can see here that this truck is powering our entire stand all day long. All of the fans, all of the lights, everything that's on this stand is being powered by this truck. Thank you very much for listening to me talk about the Mustang Mach-E. It's been a great pleasure. If you want any more information, you can go to our website at www.ford.com or visit a local dealer or look in your local area for any events that might be happening there.